Jai Shri Ram. These are rebuses. Like I already posted a shorts earlier and explained, a rebus is a puzzle. And I'm going to quickly tell you the answers now. RUN, because it's going down, it is run down. Show these to your kids, teach your kids, it will improve their creativity. I have used these in my classrooms to stimulate the creativity of students, and even at MBA level, these are very useful. Now, GIFIREN is fire engine, because the word fire is within the word GIN. Okay, so you will get an epiphany now. Epiphany means an aha feeling, a flash of insight, sudden enlightenment. Like when you forget your password and after a couple of hours suddenly you remember that. That's called epiphany. Epiphany also means an incarnation. In Christianity, the resurrection of Jesus is known as an epiphany. So epiphany, I gave you two meanings. So try, stand, to. The answer is try to understand, because two is under. The next one is ball point. Okay. Now it is grandstand, because it is standing up. And the one to the left of that grandstand is shape up. And dot dash range. So that is point blank range. Get up and go. And the next one to the left is for instance. We often say for instance, Unfortunately, that is a crutch word, a subconscious verbal tick, utapadamu, so don't overuse that. For instance. Okay. The one to the left, funny. That is too funny for words, or too funny for words. Okay. One below that, SHAVE. It should be a little more closer actually. There's a little gap. The gaps are very less. So it is actually close shave. Mary plus Mary is equal to summary. That is a good one, isn't it? Rest your. You are under arrest. So, like a policeman can say, you are under arrest. HOROBOD is Robin Hood. Rob is within hood. Tire is a flat tire. Little, late. Too little, too late. Now the one to the right. Friend standing, miss friend. So that's a tough one actually. And it is a small misunderstanding between friends. Notice that the word miss is smaller. So it is a small misunderstanding between friends. That's a good one, tough one. Quite right is another, crutch word, or crutch, mumble, subconscious verbal tick. Some people keep saying quite right. See for yourself. Up to a point. Actually, it should be tilted to the left. So that is up to a point. Now, you see the doog on. No, up to no good. Sometimes we may say he is up to no good. There are two of them, therefore, and they are going up. So up to no good. And the one on the right, though deep in thought. And one below that, a friend in need. And beside that, top secret. And economy, a growing economy. That's the cliche. That is the hackneyed phrase. That is the standard stock phrase. All over again. And then just in case. Travel, CCC. Did you get that right? That is travel overseas, because there are so many seas and travel is over the seas, so it is travel overseas. Okay. And this one, 0 by BA, MA, PhD. That's probably the toughest on this page. It is actually a meteorological department statement. When they might say the temperature is 3 degrees below zero. 3 degrees below zero. And the one to the left is shut up and sit down. And beside that or below that is your time is up. And then to the right of that is forgive and forget. And below that is HIGKLMNO. That is H2O. H2O. Did you get that? And this one is also tough. MIYLI. So how many ones are there or I's are there? So let's take it as one now. So 4 ones are there. So the sentence is, for once in my life. For once in my life? No. For once in my life. And the one below that is, you can guess, it has to be operation. So painless operation. You see, the letters P, A, I, N are missing. So it's a painless operation. That's a nice one, right? And the one on the bottom to the left, L is missing. Falling in love, L-O-V-E. And hitting below the belt, crossbreed. Where long, that is long underwear. And bigger and better. Jai Shri Ram, I suppose it was a useful activity. Look up for more good rebuses on the net. Train kids, train your students, develop critical thinking, and enjoy, enjoy solving puzzles. Jai Shri Ram.